Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to work with the Fxview Broker Dashboard step by step. When we enter the trading dashboard in the Fxview Broker, at the top you will see the broker's logo, and by clicking on it you will always return to the main page or dashboard. In this section you can see the wallet, which shows how much your wallet balance is. And in the loyalty points section you have your loyalty score, which accumulates with more activity in trading. These points may be used to receive bonuses or special services. In the left menu, you can see the navigation panel where the wallet option is your internal wallet, and all deposits and withdrawals are initially done from this wallet. By clicking on the Add New Wallet Currency option, you can add the desired currency wallet to this section, and as you can see below, your transaction history is fully displayed here. The next section is account funding. From this section you can fund your account, and this part is related to deposits and withdrawals. By selecting the desired trading account and clicking on the Deposit Funds option, you will be connected to the payment gateway. In the video, we will fully explain the deposit and withdrawal process of the Fxview Broker to you. The next item, which is related to withdrawal, involves selecting the desired trading account in this section and completing the details related to account withdrawal. The next section is Manage Account, where you can manage your trading account. By clicking on the three-dot option, you can manage and change your trading account settings. In this section, you can change the leverage. You can change the MetaTrader password, make internal transfers, or connect to the trading platform. Through the Add Fund option, you are directly connected to the payment gateway for depositing and funding your account. Please note that the first section pertains to your real trading accounts, and the demo account section is related to your trial or demo accounts. The next option in the account management section is Change Leverage, where you can select your desired trading account and change your leverage. The following section is related to Change Platform Password, where you can change your trading password. The next section is Internal Transfer, where you can select your trading account and transfer an amount from one account to another. The following section is related to Deposit Bonus, which will be displayed here if you have an active bonus for funding your account. You select the desired trading account. And as you can see, currently there is no active bonus considered for this trading account. The next section is Social Trading, where if you wish to copy successful trades, you can access the social trading system from this section. And as you can see, there is no need to register an MQL5. And by clicking on the Create Live Account option, we can proceed to create a real account. The next section is related to tools, which includes auxiliary trading tools such as VPS, economic calendar, calculator, and risk management tools. By clicking on the Read More option, you can get more information about each section. As you can see from the top of the page, you can view the details related to VPS. The economic calendar displays important economic events such as interest rate news, inflation, and more. The next section is related to the trader's toolbox. You can see the tools for analyses. Calculators, which are related to the calculator, calculate the commission for you by entering your desired information. And the last option, which is related to global trading hours, is displayed to you in this section. The next section is Education and Resources, which provides you with educational materials, videos, articles, and guides for learning about the market and trading strategies. At the top of the page, you can see the categories that I mentioned to you: news, my market-related news, educational videos that teach you about Beginners, Expert, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and MetaTrader 5 on mobile. The next section is related to webinars. In this section, you can see the webinar library and the last option, which is related to the Forex glossary, that guides and educates you thoroughly. The next section is related to platform downloads. In this section, you can find the download links for trading platforms like MetaTrader 5, and you can download the ActTrader web trader here on various devices, including Windows, iOS, Android, and others. The last option is the support option. If you need guidance or encounter a technical issue, you can get assistance and stay in touch through the support section. You have the ability to send emails, live chat, and make calls, and if you wish, you can submit a ticket for support. You can also follow up on this from the top right corner of the page, where the support section includes chat on WhatsApp, Telegram, and live chat. By clicking on this option, a page will open for you where you can start chatting with support by entering your name and email. By clicking this option, you minimize it. We return to the trading dashboard. At the top bar of the page, you will see Create Live Account. By clicking this option, you will enter the Podbot page related to creating a real account in the Fxview Broker. In this section, you enter your desired information, and by clicking the Create Account option, you create a new real account. The next item is related to demo accounts, where you can practice in a demo environment without risk and without paying any amount. The next option is notification, which displays messages sent to you by the brokerage. The next section is the broker's language, where you can change the broker's language by selecting your desired language. And the next section is related to the profile, which includes 4 subsections. The first option in the profile takes you to the page related to your personal information, which includes basic info, details about your residential address, and details about payment methods. By selecting Add Bank, you can enter your banking information, and by selecting Add Credit Card, you can enter details related to your credit card accounts. The next option is Documents, which is displayed to you in this way if the identity verification process is completed. As you can see, we have completed the identity verification for the Fxview Broker, and it has been successful, and our account has been verified. In the verification video, we have taught you this in detail. We return to the trading dashboard. In the central section, your list of trading accounts is displayed to you. In the trading accounts section, by clicking on the Hide Live or Demo option, you can change your category. In the platform section, the logo of the trading platform is displayed to you. In the account ID section, your trading account number is shown. In the leverage section, you can see the amount of leverage or trading leverage. And in this section, under currency, the base currency of your account, which in this case is USD, is displayed to you. By clicking the Fund option, you can fund this trading account. And by clicking this option, your open trades are displayed to you. In the Closed Trades section, it shows you the trades you have executed and closed. On the right side, you can see a market summary. In this section, major currency pairs with their current status are displayed to you. In the Quad Market Insight section, you can see an overview of the market and related news. In the Market Insights section, you can view market analyses and analysts' perspectives. In the News section, important economic news is displayed to you. And in the Economic Calendar section, you can see the calendar of economic events that impact the market. These were the explanations regarding working with the Fxview Broker Dashboard. If you have any questions or if any part needs further explanation, feel free to contact us in the comments. Wishing you success and prosperity.